Did it go any faster? I can ride this. Woo! This is fun! Woo! You crashed. That was fun.
Let's try that again.
Yeah.
No, really. I'll get on back.
It's still going.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'll get on back this time, okay?
Okay. I'll steer with the camera in my hand. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at our shadows. I'm having fun
dragging.
Yeah.
Samragepolitte. Hey, I'm Samragepolitte.
And I'm Breyerhorsebabes.
And where's the Breyerhorsebabes?
Okay, we're now on the wagon again, going down. Hopefully I don't jump. I can't!
Right!
Oh no, not the log! Oh. That's why you need seatbelts, people. We crashed into that log that we can't see.
Oh shit.
That was fun. Oh, my butt. Hey, look, Tonto, way up there. Ow. Yeah, now we're aching with pain because we do not have seatbelts. Kids at home, please do not try this. Please. As she aches in pain.
It's real pain.
And that's real pain. This is no lie. That was no act.
I stop it.